Today I went and bought an antenna for the RV to see how many channels I can get. Because the last time I used this, there was a little hack. You stick a paper clip in here and I was only able to get one channel. So let's go in here, do this unboxing, and let's see how many channels we can see. That's what it looks like. Manual here. I'm not going to tape it up to the side. I guess you can put it on wherever you want, but I'm not going to do that. All I want to do is plug this in. I'm gonna leave it laying here right now, but I'm probably gonna wrap it all, stick it up here on the top. Let's see, put it right there for now. So this is what it'll look like. Go ahead and turn the battery on. Let's go inside and see what it looks like. Alright, let me see. This remote turns on the radio and the TV. Let me go ahead and turn this on. I'm gonna have to go in here and set the channel display. Let me see. Yeah, so let me go to the menu. All the way to channel. And go down to
Mark and Tracy have outgrown their old place and are looking to buy
auto
a new
scan.
one.
And let's come back once the channels are scanned. Alright, so the channel stopped scanning. Let me see if it works. Oh yeah, look, it works. It's supposed to be something like 60 channels. So another little thing that if you want to do for your RV, if you want a boondock, you can watch TV. Just get an antenna. I think I paid $12 and something cents in Walmart, and you can watch all local channels. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.